Today we've had a lot of sunshine with some clouds as well on the backside of our cold front, and you can't tell from these views, but it is feeling chilly out there. Temperatures are running cooler than yesterday and feeling more like mid to late October, with highs that have been in the 50s for some spots. Greenville currently 58, Big Rapids and Hart 59, low 60s for many, but definitely feeling that chill with the breeze out there. The sunshine helps a little bit, but it is cool out there, perfect for everybody who's been waiting to try out that new sweater or those new pair of boots, but you have many more opportunities as this cool weather will stick around for the next few days. Our cold front and upper low are to the north and east, which means we're pulling around air on the backside of it that is of chilly nature. So we're continuing to stay chilly tonight and mainly dry, but this second low pressure system back to the west is going to move through. Not a lot of moisture to work with this front, but that does give us an opportunity for a few showers between around midnight and maybe 5 or 6 a.m. and then a trailing shower into tomorrow afternoon. So tonight we should be falling into the upper 40s for some, low 50s for others, maybe some mid 50s along the lakeshore, and we'll stay mainly cloudy through the night. There's not, again, a lot of moisture to work with, so some of us are not even going to get rain. Best chances for some showers will be north of the 96 corridor, right around midnight to 3 a.m. But it's a quick moving front. On the backside of the front, 6 or 7 a.m., we'll see some sunshine, but clouds will filter back in. There will be the chance for a sprinkle or two here or there from some lake enhancement, since this air mass is so cold, not only at the surface, but in the upper levels of the atmosphere as well. That will promote the potential for a few of those sprinkles throughout the day. The other issue is going to be the wind. It should be sustained at 20 to 25 miles an hour tomorrow through much of West Michigan, but we could even see some gusts upwards of 35 miles an hour. And that's all while temperatures will only get into the low 60s, probably cooler than today by a few degrees for most of us. And that means we have some beach hazard issues going on through Saturday. We have a small craft advisory. We also actually have a gale warning through Saturday morning as well. And then just the risk of high waves and strong currents. Probably not the best stretch of days to head out to the lake, but know that if you're heading out, it will be extremely breezy. Some of those waves could be upwards of 12 feet. So big waves going on because of these gusty winds. Even inland, some of those gusts could be upwards of 35 miles an hour. Through the weekend and early next week, the wind calms down a little bit, but we're still probably going to be dealing with gusts of double digits for at least the next several days. And all of that comes with this big upper low sitting and spinning, continuing to just throw that cooler air down to us in the Great Lakes. So that will continue as we go through the weekend. But into early next week, it does look like some of this warm up will nudge into West Michigan, and the cool isn't going to last forever. We'll definitely see the potential of more of those above average temperatures about this time next week. So you can see we go from the low 60s to the mid 60s by Monday and then jumping into the 70s by Tuesday.